So today our topic is Reliance. We are going to discuss on introduction, overview of some subsidiary companies of Reliance, SWOT analysis and some interesting facts of Reliance.
Introduction of Reliance Industries Limited. The Reliance Industries Limited is founded in 1966, founder of Aetis Dhirubhai Ambani headquarters. The headquarters are in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The key people is Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani. The company is founded by Dhirubhai Ambani and Chambaklal Dhavani. They both are Chambaklal Dhavani is brother of Dhirubhai Ambani. And in 1960, as Reliance Commercial Corporation. In 1966, the partnership had ended due to some disputes in business, and Dhirubhai Ambani continued the holistic business of the firm. In 1966, the Reliance Textile Engineering Private Limited was incorporated in Maharashtra. In 1975, the company has expanded its business into its textiles, which becoming its major brand in the latter years. In 1985, the name of the company was changed from Reliance Textile Industry Limited to Reliance Industries Limited.
So after 1985, in 2001, Reliance Industries and Reliance Petroleum became two largest companies in all points to India. In 2002-3, Reliance purchased a majority stake in Indian Petrochemical Corporation. Reliance is the second largest petrochemical company of India. In 2005-6, the company reorganized its business by doing investments in power generation and distribution, financial services and telecommunication services into four separate entities. In 2006, Reliance organized a retail market in India by its launch retail market by its name like Reliance Fresh. Now let's see some subsidiary companies of Reliance. So basically subsidiary companies, all subsidiary companies, parent company is one Reliance. Jio Platforms. Jio Platforms is an Indian technology company. It was founded on 2019. It acts as a holding company for India's largest mobile network company, Jio. Reliance Retail Market is founded in 2006. Reliance Retail sells some food, groceries, toys, and so on. Jio Payments Bank. It was founded on 3rd March 2018. Reliance Jio Payments Bank. Reliance
Foundation. Reliance Foundation is founded in 2010 by Mukesh Ambani of Reliance Industries Limited. It is the first company which is non-profit company. Mumbai Indians. It is the Reliance Petroleum. Reliance Petroleum is special is in oil and energy. It is the India's biggest private sector company. SWOT analysis. Strengths. India's number one of the giant industry. Reliance Industries Limited has a strong brand name, excellent financial position, big opportunities, growing demands for petroleum products, understanding the demand for the data and Reliance broad view. Weakness. Long-term borrowing, legal issues and allegations, accusations of the favored by the government. Threats. Indian Oil Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation.
Interesting facts about Reliance. First is Dhirubhai Ambani worked as a petrol pump attendant while he was in Yemen. Only Vimal was a brand of Reliance Textile Industries. તો એનામાં ધીરુભાઈના મોટા ભાઈ હતા રમણીકભાઈ, એમણે છે ને રિલાયન્સ ટેક્સટાઇલ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી સેટઅપ કરવામાં બહુ હેલ્પ કરી હતી ધીરુભાઈ અંબાણીની. તો ઇન રિટર્ન ધીરુભાઈ અંબાણીએ રમણીકભાઈના છોકરાનું નામ વિમલ અંબાણી હતું, તો પછી એ વિમલ નામ આપ્યું બ્રાન્ડનું. થર્ડ ઇઝ રિલાયન્સ the telecom industry. Fourth is the split of Ambani's affected the Indian financial market. After the death of Dhirubhai Ambani, his two sons Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani, their relation was not good. તો પછી એ લોકોએ બિઝનેસ સેપરેટ કર્યો અને એ લોકોએ ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ બિઝનેસ ગ્રો કર્યો, સ્પેશિયલી રિલાયન્સનું વધારે ગ્રો થયું. ફિફ્થ ઇઝ રિલાયન્સ જીઓ ઇનડાયરેક્ટ હેલ્પ ટુ ટી સિરીઝ. તો ઇન 2019 જીઓ આવ્યું, તો એ જીઓ નેટના લીધે બધા ટી સિરીઝ વધારે જોતા, યુટ્યુબના ચેનલ્સ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરતા. તો ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી રિલાયન્સ જીઓના થ્રુ ટી સિરીઝને વધારે હેલ્પ થઈ. Sixth is Jio brought India on top of the mobile data consumption list. Seventh is they own the largest TV network in India, Network 18. Eighth is they placed India on the global refining map. તો એનામાં એ લોકોએ પેટ્રોલિયમ સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું હતું જામનગરમાં પેટ્રોલિયમ. પછી થોડા ટાઈમ પછી પોલ્યુશન ને એવું બધું એ લોકોને અફેક્ટ કર્યું, તો they had their own way to fight it. તો પછી એ લોકોએ એશિયાનું મોટામાં મોટું મેંગો ગાર્ડન ગ્રો કર્યા, જેનાથી પોલ્યુશન ઓછું થઈ શકે. નાઇન્થ ઇઝ they are in almost every industry in India. 10th is Reliance continues to be India's largest exporter.
CSR, Corporate Social Activities of Reliance. એટલે રિલાયન્સ વાળા જે ગરીબ હોય એમને મદદ કરતા એમાંથી ફર્સ્ટ છે વુમેન એન્ડ યુથ એમ્પાવરમેન્ટ પ્રોગ્રામ, જેમાં વુમન લોકોને એજ્યુકેશન આપતા ફ્રીમાં, પછી એમ્પ્લોય કરતા કે વર્ક આપતા અને એમને ફ્રી એજ્યુકેશન એન્ડ એમ્પ્લોય કરતા. રિલાયન્સ એમ્પ્લોયડ હેલ્થ કેર, જે રિલાયન્સના એમ્પ્લોયડ હોય એમને હેલ્થ આપે ફ્રીમાં, અને એમના ફેમિલીઝને બી કંઈક થયું હોય તો એમને બી ફ્રી સર્વિસ આપતા હોય. Reliance Primary Health Center, જેમાં they adopted PHC, that is Physical Health Center, and they go and they set up their organization in small villages and give them a service of free.